My name is Jeff Barschaw. I'm a director of Agile Practices and a principal consultant here at Rego. I spent 20 years developing software before actually becoming a consultant. And so I have this interesting perspective between the tools and the practices, and really bringing the two together to make organizations really hum with their Agile transformations. It's really hard to pick out a favorite class or topic. Probably the area that I most enjoy is where I can leverage both the process and demonstrations with the tools together to show them new ways that they can accomplish what they need to. My favorite thing at Rego U is meeting the people. It's great to meet the clients face to face, have discussions with them, sit down and have lunch, and get to know them personally rather than just based on the business that we do every day with them.